10 or 20, it's not going to work. You must have at least hundreds. So if your employee size is about 300 to 400, yes. Because sometimes you may have a small subsidiary, like this company that I'm helping them, they only have 70 people in Singapore. But if you look at it, they have 70 in Malaysia. You see? So it may not be very big, but because you want to create the center of excellence. So what we did was, we said, okay, remember we have product line, right? Sorry, I know education is just education, but most companies may have a few product line or few skills. So like for example, you may have strong in the administrative, right? So we handle in your Ang Mo Kio. Then maybe in the east, in Tampines, you have another one, right? The ITE, right? And then another one at Dover, right? No more already. Sorry. They changed. I know that at one time they have, but now I think